Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can order layers on CapCut PC and how you can turn on free layers to make editing just way easier. So I'm just going to add in a couple of videos from here, and as you can see, if you put this on the third one, it's going to like stay on top even if I've already put it on this bottom layer. And I would have to go here and make it into the first layer, and it's just very tedious. So what you're going to do, don't click on anything. Well, click on this like gray area, go to modify and enable free layer and press save. Now when you like go in between layers and like move them around, they'll go according to the layers, and it's just way easier. And if you want to do that to all of your projects, go to menu, go to settings, go to edit and enable free layer, and it's going to set it as a default whenever you open up a project, so you don't have to go to modify and enable it every single time you have a new project. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.